Good morning, Ragini. I'm audible. Ragini, I'm audible.
Yes, sir, audible.
Just run the code of your churn file, the decision tree. Guys, Ragini will wait for some minutes. Students are coming. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Anisha, Ragini, just go to the drive, download the code, run the file. Ragini, I've already done. Anisha, just run the code.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, then start a small revision. Okay. Once the revision is done, we'll move forward with the practical one. Okay. How many terms we have in decision tree? Or with it terminology? Okay. Here we have parent node. So guys, you're doing a first discussion and Nisha Ragini. Normal, we have root node. We have parent node. And third, we have child nodes. So we have three types of nodes: root node, parent node, child nodes. Take your time. Guys, what is the difference between root node and parent node? Okay. Again, second difference. One parent node, one root node, multiple parent nodes. You get a difference? Okay. Difference between parent node and child nodes. Okay, second difference.
Child node will be considered for a decision. Child node, parent node will need to be splitted.
हाँ तो उन्होंने वही बोला आपने लैंग्वेज चेंज की ठीक है सिंपल क्वेश्चन कैन वी से चाइल्ड नोड इज होमोजेनियस पैरेंट नोड इज नॉन होमोजेनियस अगर पैरेंट नोड होमोजेनियस हो जाते तो हम उसको चाइल्ड वी कैन कॉल इट चाइल्ड वी कैन नॉट से अ पैरेंट चलिए क्लियर नेक्स्ट these are the terms which we have done okay and also if you remember we have root node, we split. This is called as branches or branch one. So we have root node, parent node, child node, and also we have branches. Guys, can we have multiple branches? So one tree can have multiple branches, 2, 3, 5, 10 possible. Okay. Next, when I say child nodes, inside child node, which method we use?
Inside?
Child nodes. If we have 4 nodes and Let's say this is a child node, not maximum. 4 child nodes. Okay. Total we have 8 sample. Okay. I have 7 no, 1 yes. Why you say no? We cannot say maximum, we say mode. Inside child node, we use mode concept. Guys, this is an interview questions. This we already have done. You just have to go and think more in depth. I make you write prior also. Inside child node, we use mode concept. Okay. How many splitter we have? 4. Which are 4? Information gain, entropy, Gini index square, chi-square. Okay. I have given the name. If we use Gini and make a tree, that tree name is CART. Classification and regression tree. We never say decision tree. Sometime in job description, they give you CART. They never say decision tree. So make sure you are comfortable with this. Okay. How many type of tasks we have in decision tree? 2. Which are 2? Regression and classification. And regression means what type of data required? Y has to be numeric. Classification means Y has to be category. This is permanent rule, guys. Irrespective of algorithm you use. Future also, we have boosting and many algorithms. Within each algorithm, we have regression task and classification task. Clear? Okay. Next, if you make a tree, if a tree is very huge in size, what we do? We do pruning. Why pruning we do, guys? Why we need? Tree bada hai, theek hai na? Because tree always overfit. To control overfitting, we do pruning. So this helps us to control overfitting. Point number 1. Second, also help us to give a small tree. Easy to interpretation, easy to read, easy to explain. Second, how many methods we have in pruning? Decide kar lo. Pre and post. Within that, 3 subparts. Which are 3 subparts? Branches. Maximum branches. Good. Never say branches, say maximum branches. Next. Minimum number of parent node. Sample in parent node. Minimum number of sample in parent node. हमने last time ऐसे लिखा था. तो minimum कितना होगा? 100. More than 100 is possible. Less than 100, not possible. What is the third one? Minimum number of sample in child node. These are 3 methods which help us to prune the tree. कितने rows होनी चाहिए child nodes में? Clear, guys. Shall we go to decision tree now? In this, I will teach you one more method inside this. Overfitting, I'll show in this. Okay. Here we have an objective. Predict the behavior to retain the customers. You can analyze all relevant customers' data and develop a focused customer retention program. Retention means, is a layman language, retention means come to repeat our customers, to come back our customers. Okay. So here we have customer call as a churn. Churn means, the definition of churn, any person using a SIM card of Vodafone, because of the bad services or anything scenarios, you change your network. Number remains same. Remember MNP, mobile number portability. We change our numbers for different network. So you change from Vodafone to Jio. That changing is called churn. Okay, so you change from Vodafone network to and you join Jio. That changing is called as churn. Sometimes people also call it churn analytics. Definition clear? We just import data, assign an employee. I check the head of data where we have customer IDs, gender, significant reason or not, partners, dependents. It is important to identify dependent. Means you have multiple SIM cards or not. Means I'm using a SIM card, but my recharge depends upon my father. If he recharges, then also I get recharge. We have a family plan. Then we have tenure. From last how many years I'm using a card? Phone services. Phone service means do you have landline phone? Multiple line means you have same company. You have fiber optics, remember? You can use for mobile also. You can use for TV also. Okay. Do you have that or not? Internet services. Today we use fiber optics. Where we use 4G, 3G. It is called DSL. Online securities. Means whether you have taken any antivirus. Device protection. Who take device protection, guys? Insurance. Which people take insurance for the mobile? Which type of people take insurance policy on mobile phone? इसका फोन महंगा होता है आईफोन ना वो लोग लेते हैं. Support means you call to customer care for your query. Then you have streaming TVs like we have nowadays. Recharge for 1 year in Jio and get your Disney Hotstar for free for 1 year. So have you done any recharge or not? Streaming TVs and movies. Whether you have any contract, how you recharge. Prior we have monthly recharge. We call month to month. In this situation we have quarter to quarter recharge. Okay. So it's the old data, month to month or yearly recharge, or we have 2 year recharge, 1 year, 2 year, or month to month. Do you prefer a bill in hand or paperless on email? Do you want an email or do you want an in hand? Paperless, yes means on email. No means at your home to deliver. Payment method. How you make your method, how you pay your bills. By electronic checks, by email check, or by bank transfer, and so on. Monthly recharge. How much money I spend on every month. Total. How much I spend now. Example. Let's say this customer is using SIM card for how many months? 34 months. How much money spent on monthly? $56. Okay. Total how much he spent till now? $1,800. Difference clear? It was a monthly, it was a total till how much till now? From starting date of SIM card till today, how much money you spent? That is your total charges. These are monthly charges. Then churn. Churn, yes means you will leave the service. No means you will not leave the service. Till here clear? Here we have triple dot, so we have many columns also present. How many columns we have? 21. Till here clear? Any question, guys? Anyone have any question? Huh? And customer. Dependent means charge of my dad depends on me. I depends on that or not. Then we do uni. Uni variable means, guys. Uni means one. Variable means one variable. So we check info of data. How many rows we have? 7,000 customers. Total number of columns 21. Some are object, some are float, some are integer, some are object. How many object we have? Now if you're looking at this data, guys, can I call this as to be numbers? Can I call this as to be numbers? But when I check the info, software is reading as total charges as something wrong he is reading. we have to change the data type. This will happen. Okay. We check describe. Describe function only works for numbers. Total charges is not a number. It's an object. It will not read for you. Now I remove irrelevant column. Customer ID. Not used for modeling. Guys, do you want me to explain each and every word now? Anisha, Ragini.
Yes, sir.
Do you want me to explain like this way? Drop means what? XS1 means what?
Sir, I have one doubt. Why we use drop? I mean,
In employee, drop means delete, column name, customer ID. XS1 means this customer ID is a column.
okay.
So I need to delete a column called customer ID. Next.
Sir, small doubt. Sorry for interrupting. We can use directly delete.
Yeah, you can delete also.
Okay.
It is your opinion.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Next, in employee, column name, total charges. I have to replace. Wherever there is a space, replace with nan. Nan means null values. Dot as. As means convert. Converting data type. Which type I need? Float. So I'm replacing with blank data and also I'm converting to float. Assigning in same data, same column. Again, I check the info. How many we have now, guys? 20. Can you see total charges become float now? Till you're clear. Next, we check missing data. Employee. Is a name. Is for check. As for convert. Okay, checking NA dot sum. For every column, it will check NA, and for every column, it will do sum. NA is null. So, do we have anywhere missing? In total charges, how many columns? 11. So, 11 rows in total charges, we have a missing data. Now, my question for you, this total charges is what type of data we have now? Float. Which method should I use for replacement? Can we replace by mean? Okay. The option is also correct, Rahul. You can do like this way. 10 you are into monthly recharge. Will give you total recharge. That is also possible. Or safe and chat, we use average. So, data set name, employee, column name, total charges. I want to fill. Fill where there is any present. I want to fill with mean of total charges. Replace through means do the replacement in same data. So I replace 11 row by the mean of total charges. Now if you check missing data treated, guys. Clear. So we first replace space by nan, then nan by mean. Again we check the describe. So guys, what is the monthly minimum recharge people do? 18. Maximum 118. People near 0 means he purchases in the current month. Okay. And maximum 72 months means how many years? So we have data how many years old? Data is not 6 years old. We have customers 6 years old. So we have customers who are using our SIM card from the last 6 years maximum in our data. Then we check the head of data. Now there is a column called as online security. You see over here. Here we have yes and we have no. In employee, column name, online security, value counts. Will you give me each value, first value is no. How many times you repeat? 3, 4, 9. Second value, how many times you repeat? Ascending call means descending order. No internet service means you have not taken service, means you don't have security. So I'm replacing this value by no. Repeating, I'm replacing this value by no. So 5126 will get replaced by no. So total how much become? 5024. Logically, this would happen. Let's write the code. Data set, employee, column name, online security. Let replace. Wherever there is no internet service written, I want to replace with no. Assigning in same data, same column. Again, I check value counts. How many no I have now? What I've done? This value plus this value. Clear, guys? Easy. The way I replace for one column, online securities, can I replace for remaining columns? So wherever there is no internet service written, I'm replacing with no. Clear. I just want to make my data ready for analysis. This code is same, everything is same, just I change the column name, nothing else. Next we have churn rate analysis. Churn means who change the network. Rate means percentage, a ratio. Analysis means a calculation. P stand for plot LY. I want to make pie chart, data set name, employee, column name, churn. Color has to be based on churn. Two types of color I need, yes, no as. So yes means he will change the network. How much % bad customer we have? So bad rate is 26.5. Network. If you remember, when you apply for MNP, you have 2 days. After 48 hours, your network gets changed. So once you initiate indication, means you're going to churn. So that data we have. So we want you to return back. We don't want you to go back to 0. I want you to come back to me. So 26% of the people have applied for changing number at that moment of time. Clear? Let's do trend analysis, guys. It's very important. Simple, effective, easy. Employee, churn, value counts. How many churns we have? How many yes we have? 1869. Total number of rows. How much I get? ये clear हो गया? Okay, let me write for you. Data set का नाम क्या है? Employee. Okay. Now in employee, how many rows we have? Number of rows. Okay. Then how many yes we have? And how many no? Churn yes. And churn no. Churn yes we have how many? 18. And churn no we have 5174. This is a data description. Now what I'm trying to do, from employee, I'm going to the column called churn, and I'm becoming data which is only yes. And here a new data set call as churn customer. How many I have in churn customer wise? Number of rows. So can I say I have make a separate file? Clear, guys. On this data, I am doing clear. Means there are people who are living to me. Which type of people are living? What is the reason behind of living? We need to find that. Okay. I'll just make Sunburst chart for churn customer who have already applied for leaving. People who are senior citizen, internet service, contract, and payment method. Senior citizen no means youth. So maximum people are no are youth people. They have issuing fiber opticals. They have issuing monthly recharge. They have issuing electronic sales. So this type of people who do electronics payment, who recharge monthly, and he using fiber opticals, and he is a youth. These people are maximum people who are leaving my services. So we call as an interpretation. Customer who leave the service are not a senior citizen, use fiber opticals, do monthly recharge, and electronic checks. So these are the key factor for me. That's the reason people are leaving to me. So as a company, I need to work on this parameter. That's why, guys, nowadays we don't have monthly recharge. Okay. That's why now we have fiber opticals. So Vodafone have run a difficulty in the fiber opticals. That's why Jio emerged. Got the point?
So where it is written that customer churn, senior citizen
डेटा ही चर्न कर लिया ना, इससे मैंने आपको यही बोला कि मैंने सिर्फ चर्न डेटा ही लिया. Churn bus is easy. You do manually pie chart. एक एक करने से अच्छा है दो sunburst. Clear. Next. In employee, select D type. D type means data type. Input which are only numbers. Give me column name, convert to list. These columns are numbers. This can say this code only give me column names. This code and above code are same, guys. So all column names I fetch from employee and make something known as employee num. So I erase this part. Employees are main data. We break into employee num. Employee num have numbers data. Next, same code I have written, guys. Instead of numbers, I have written as object. And I have taken data set name as employee dummies. हाँ, ये भी तो नंबर्स है ना, ये ऑलरेडी थे ना नंबर्स में, इसको हमने कन्वर्ट किया. Now clear? So guys, I have taken data separate, category separate है और numbers separate. Okay. Category file का नाम क्या रखा है हमने? Employee dummies. This is your category data. Now in machine learning, we cannot use category. We have to convert data into numbers. So we need to convert data into numbers. To convert, we use clear. So say on employee dummies, apply function, label encoder. Fit transfer means apply also and convert data. Assigning in same data. I say data get converted, guys. Any question? So next, we have data called employee number. Data called employee dummies. This employee dummies, guys, is nowadays nothing but numbers only. So this employee number and employee dummies, we combine this to data and make something known as employee combine. Clear? Access one means combine, column wise, make employee combine. Employee combine is a data which is numbers, all variables. Clear? Any question? You can check if present, you can treat. I have teach you prior now. Same thing, don't want to repeat. I just added now which concept? Space to nan to average. As I said, every case study new concept will keep on adding.
Which will be applicable
For all of them. Next. Need to explain data partition, guys. Okay. Test size 0.3 means तो train data कितना हो जाएगा 70%. So on this employee combine, we are breaking into train, breaking into test. Test कितना percent है 30. Train how much? ये clear हो गया. Easy. Random state as 2, 3, 1. Random state means, guys, to fix the number of rows. On screen, guys, coming to the last step of this. Found difficult, stop me. Okay. From scalar, want to import tree. Then do a tree. Which type of function? Decision tree, classifier. Why are we doing classifier, guys? Because ये classification है. So we can try with regressor also, and we have classifier also. Regressor means regression task. Classifier means classification task. Clear? I don't specify which method I'm using to split. Which method we use to split, guys? Gini. So by default, this method use Gini. Specify नहीं करोगे तो. Let me show you how it works by default. See, criteria is by default is clear.
Sir, I have a doubt. So,
Default it use Gini. Yes.
sir, can you hear me?
Yes. Yeah,
Sir?
you're audible. Please say.
सर माय डाउट इज कल ने आप एक्सप्लेन कर रहा था ना डिसीजन ट्री में अगर एक्यूरेसी नहीं मिला तो विल बी यूज आई मीन डिसीजन ट्री राइट आई मीन गिनी मेथड तो यहाँ पे लाइक विल बी गेटिंग एक्यूरेसी ना देन अगेन व्हाई वी यूज्ड दिस लाइक गिनी
Your question, can you please repeat your club 2-3 questions in one?
माय डाउट इज सर हम लोग कल एग्जांपल सॉल्व कर रहे थे ना डिसीजन गिनी मेथड में
नहीं आप गए थे when you make
नहीं मिला तो विल यूज दैट मेथड
हाँ पहले हम ट्री बनाते हैं ट्री बहुत ज्यादा होता है एक्यूरेसी बहुत हाई होती है तो हम उसको प्रून करते हैं ठीक है दैट विल कम पार्ट बिलो आफ्टर दिस
ओके सो
जस्ट वेट फॉर सम मिनट
वन मोर डाउट सर तो हमें पहले कैसे मालूम हो जाता कि वी हैव टू यूज दिस मेथड
if you're working on classification, for example, let's say we have logistic one. What is the output format of logistic? Probability hai. Decision will give you 0, 1. If your business say give me probability, so you will use logistic. If business say I want to make prediction, we use decision tree. Got the point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here we have DT is a model. DT.fit applies on X train and also apply on Y train. There is a model name is DT. Remember this. Okay. Now I'm making a plot for you. X train, Y train. I combine and make train. DT stand for function name concat Y train. X is one means combine column wise and make something known as train first. Next, from the train, guys, need only column starting from first. Index start from where? 0. So 0 is my chunk. First is my tenure. From tenure onwards, okay, select all column names and convert into list. Can I say features have all the column names? Except John, all independent variable name is there in features. ये clear हो गया? Guys, I'm making a tree for you now. If you want, I will write this way. Okay. Clear? Easy. Next. I'm just make an array called churn. How many values we have? Yes and no. ये clear हो गया? PLT stand for matplotlib. I want to make subplot. Subplot means, guys, let's take a scenario. ये plot है, page है. How many plots I'm making now? 4. If I say first row, can I call first row? First column? Can I say I'm talking about only this part, guys? So from PLT, I have to make subplot, row number, column number, figure size. Means the size of this is 5 rows, 5 by 4. Height in the width. Remember pixel, density pixel. If your pixel is very high, image size increases. If you take a photo from iPhone and photo from DSLR pixel is very high. Pixel size 300. Tree function available in sklearn. I want to plot tree. What is the model name? DD. Independent variable have all the column names. मैंने नाम ही लिख दिया independent variable. Okay. So here we have all independent. Do you want to write features? It's okay. ये क्या है? उसी को independent variable बोलते हैं ना? So do you want to write features? So all your independent columns are coming in features name. What we have in churn? Yes or no? I'm assigning in class name. Field means color. Means I need color has to be there. Node number has to be present. 1, 2, 3. If you remember in decision tree, we split now. This is node number 1. We for the split. Node number 2. We for the split. Node number 3. So node number has to be present. Font size has to be taken as 2. See the tree. Easy to read? Very difficult. Can I say we have colors and all, guys?
Yes.
Okay. Field color is there. Okay. Node number. If node number is 0, can I call root node? First variable uses contract. Can you say Guinea value? How many sample we have?
49.
So total number of data in train is 4930. Out of 4930, how many no we have? 3617. How many yes we have? 1313. Which is majority?
No.
So classes.
No.
That's the point. How to read? I just explained how to read one node. We break into 2 parts. Node number 1. And here we have, it's coming below, node number 2. It is very used to read. It's found difficult. Okay, so what we do, we check the model is working or not. Because the model, the creators say, the model give you high accuracy. Let's say our tree hai. We are not able to read, but we can able to predict also. Let's say an example. This is the train data, guys. On screen, everyone, please. This is the last column name. Payment method. In the train, add a new column called predicted. DT is my model. I want to predict for X train. Do we have predicted now? Predict is inbuilt function. So it predicts for 0, it's predict for 1 means service. Make confusion matrix between predicted and how to calculate accuracy, guys? Anyone? 3616 plus 130 divided by total number of rows. What is accuracy? Multiply by 100, round off. Can we get 100% accuracy? Means you're able to predict for every customer accurately. Not possible. Can we call high accuracy? Can we call overfitting? Got the point? So if a tree overfits, what we do? Pruning. Anisha, clear? Accuracy 100%.
Yes, sir.
अब हर एक कस्टमर के लिए accurate predict कर रहे हो. If I have a data of a cricket, every ball played by the Virat Kohli, can you predict accurate for every ball? How many run he will score? अगर आप कर पा रहे हो, तो you are a first astrologer, a first data scientist. वो कभी नहीं हो सकता है. तो accuracy cannot be 100%. It can be between 70 to 90, 95 still okay. More than 95 is called as overfitting models.
दो-तीन पैरामीटर का ज्यादा
वो डिपेंड करता है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. अभी ट्री क्या हो रहा है, हमारे लिए ट्री बहुत यूज है, ट्री यूज भी है और उसकी एक्यूरेसी 100% है. तो क्रिएटर ऑफ एल्गोरिथम से whenever you use my tree will always overfit. Got the point, guys? What is the meaning of overfitting? If tree overfit, what we do? Pruning करें हम. Anisha, clear now? Got the answer for you? Anisha, clear for you? Or should I repeat?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we make a tree get overfit. Overfit means 100% accuracy. To control overfitting, we use pruning. In pruning, we have pre and post, or we have to 3 number of branches. Okay, how many we have? Say the remaining. No? B for branches will be fine, guys. P for parallel. What? Is it audible to you?
No, the voice is breaking.
And let's stop. So you can B for branch, P parent, and C for child. Any combination guys you want to try? इतना lengthy है ना? You need to cut. Guys, I'm audible? Sorry, the internet connection is not there.
Yes,
Back
sir.
to Anisha. Okay. Is an important point. Be on screen for 10-20 minutes. Listen what I say first. You can ask the question. Okay. We make a tree. Tree size is very huge. Okay. So it's tree. Same. Okay. So we make a tree, and the size of the tree is very huge. Okay. If the tree size is huge, it's okay. We make a confusion matrix. We take the performance. We get accuracy as 100%. If we get accuracy as 100%, we call it overfitting. To control overfitting, we do pruning. In pruning, we have 3 steps: maximum branches, number of parent nodes, and number of sample in child nodes. Any combination you want to try, guys? Combination means, I'll give you a scenario over here. Below it in the quotes. Model improvement by pruning method means we are cutting tree. Tree, I want to use classifier which criteria? Gini. I specify how many branches I need? 3 branches. Parent node 200 minimum. Child node minimum 50. Till you clear. I'm assigning in DT. DT dot fit means I'm making a model again. Till you clear. Again, I go back. Remember, we make 3 branches. So when I run the code, I should get how many branches, guys? 3 only. First branch, second branch, third branch. Minimum कितना होना चाहिए? All criteria will check. It will check for all. First, you select criteria for 3 branch. Within 3 branch, this is called as root node. This one is called as your parent node. In parent node, do we have more than 200? Look at the sample. These are called as parent node. These are called as child nodes. Have more than 50 everywhere. Clear? So all 3 conditions we cross check. Guys, I'll teach you how to read. Okay. Contract less than 0.5. Okay. Open your data. I will open for you. Don't worry. Tree hai. We get overfitting. Overfitting means we do. In pruning, we have 3 methods. And here I will add accuracy for you. Combination number 1. कितने branches लिए? 3. Parent node, child nodes, 50. Clear, guys? I'll open data for you. If you remember, in machine learning, for category data, we have to convert to label 0, 1. Okay. There's a column called as contract. Can you see? The drawback of decision tree in Python. Python always give you a tree for left side. ये लिखा है 0.5. Contract is less than 0.5. 0.5 means अभी हम कोडिंग करते हैं. Okay. Month to month, I have coded as 0. What is the coding we have done for month to month, guys? 0. First 1 come or T come. 1 coding
Sir,
करते हैं ना
not able to see the screen.
Second, I'm just doing a coding. I'll share the screen. Able to see the screen? This is your variable called as
Yes,
contract. We do label encode, remember? So wherever we have month to month, we mark as 0. Whether we have 1 year, we mark as 1. Wherever we have 2 years, we mark as 2. If I say contract less than 0.5, what I'm talking about? Please, आपको मैच भूल गए आप लोग. कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में 0 है, 1 है और 2 है. कंडीशन क्या है? लेस देन 0.5. Which number I'm talking about? 0. 0 is what in our case? Month to month. समझ आया? So this say in the left hand side what I have? Month to month. अपोजिट में क्या होगा? फर्स्ट क्लास, फर्स्ट 1 and 2. Visual now. Online students. So here we have month to month. Here we have 1 year and 2 years. Clear? Drawback of Python. Python जो ये answers देता है हमेशा, it's only for left branch. And right branch क्या हो जाएगा उसका? Opposite. Second one. If I say person to monthly recharge less than 68.97, so where it come? What is opposite? Greater than 68.97. Clear guys? Tenure less than 15. Where should I come? वो आर की तरह ट्री नहीं बना रहे ना. आर में कैसा होता था? ऐसे ट्री बनता था ना पहले. वेटेज नहीं है, वो लिखता नहीं है ब्रांच पे ऐसे. हाँ, आर्किटेक्चर में डिस्प्ले नहीं करता है. Now this is the tree which you have. Clear. Now let's say Rahul is one customer. Rahul do a recharge monthly basis. He recharged for how many dollars? $70. He is using a SIM card from last 12 months. What is the answer? Left side, month to month. Then we go for right side. Then we go for left side. What is the majority comes over here? Yes. So what we say? Rahul will leave the organization. Rating remains same. Small tree, easy to read, or you require big tree? Clear. Ragini, Anisha, Shantanu. Read कैसे करना है?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we tried combination number 1, 3 branches. Compulsory नहीं ना, वो check करते. Right here, wrong, we check with the help of accuracy. If accuracy means how accurately we predict. If we predict accurately right, so we call it is right. Okay, let's do checking guys. Okay, first combination we tried. Okay, guys, repeating. First combination 3, 250. We need to check accuracy now. Okay. Guys, I'm doing manual for you. I'll go very slow. Found difficult, stop me. This is your tree. Okay. I have again taken my train data. I use model again to predict. Prior accuracy was 100%. Now, when I run this, what is the we have? 3373, correct? Plus diagonal now divided by total number of rows. How much is the accuracy? 78.74. Clear. Now let's try different combination. What do you say? You say any number. How many branches you need? 4. So Yogesh say he wants to make 4 branches. How many parent node? 150 child nodes. So let's try with this 250. So increase करके देखते हैं कि how much the accuracy comes. He said to change. I'm changing manually, guys. Again. How much is it? 250, 50, and 4 branches. I run this. Here we have how many branches now? Prior 3. I run this. How many I should get? Let's wait. First branch, second branch, third branch, fourth branch. Clear? Okay. I'll again make train. I predict for train. I make confusion matrix. What is the answer I'm getting? 3291 633. What is the accuracy I'm getting?
79.
Anisha, Ragini, clear for you?
Yes, sir.
Guys, we're just trying combination. Now combination number 3. Any other combination you want to give, guys? Anisha, how many branches you want? Anisha,
Sir.
Ragini,
5.
5. Okay. How many parent node?
500.
500. Okay, good. Child nodes?
250.
250. So let's check the performance now. How the model works.
Yes, sir.
Guys, I'm showing you how it works manually. Okay, ये automate भी हो जाता है. But manually has to be very clear. First, 5 branches, 500, 250. Correct? Ganesha, can you see the numbers readable now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Branch number 1, branch number 2, branch number 3, branch number 4, and branch number 5.
Yes, sir.
Clear? 5 branches.
Yes, sir.
I make train data. I predict for train data. We will make confusion matrix. What is the number we have? 73509. How much? 78.74. Okay. So you can try any combination, guys, like this way. Here we tried 3 combination. Out of 3, you tell me which is the best one. Why you say first is best? So 3 से 4 है ना? We select the best model based on accuracy. Whichever has the highest accuracy, that combination is best for my data. Clear? So हमने क्या किया? Combination try किए. Trying the combination and selecting the best one. That method name is called as Grid search. Grid search apply 3 combination and select the method which is second one. Got the point? I have shown you how it works manually. Clear? Anybody have any question in the mind can ask please.
All the time trial and error.
This is manual. There is a function called grid search.
Okay.
So grid search लिखो, ट्री का नाम लिखो, कॉम्बिनेशन करो, हो गया.
मतलब वो ऑटोमेटिक बेस्ट कॉम्बिनेशन देगा आपको दोनों के. एक बार रैंडम लेगा कोई. सारे कॉम्बिनेशन को चेक करता है.
ये क्लियर हो गया. ग्रिड सर्च किसको बोलते हैं, बेस्ट सिलेक्ट कैसे करते हैं. कम टू द मोर डेप्थ. ओके, अब हम डेप्थ में आते हैं. One second. I'll give you time to speak. I'm applying grid search method. If you remember guys, we done manually. हमने एक एक करके किया ना. ये manual था. Okay. I don't want to do manual. I want to do automatic. To do automate, we use a concept called as grid. So grid search is nothing but automatic. Clear? Parameters. Minimum sample child. And note how many we have to have. 100, 200, 270. Child nodes 50, 70, 100. Depth are how many? 3, 4, 6. Now how it makes combination for you? Let's study that first. 100, 50, 3. First combination. Second combination, 100, 50, 4. 100, 50, 6. How many combination we make, guys? 3. Let's try next one. 173. 174. 176. So can I say lots of combination? So 3 raised to 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are total how many combination we are building? Out of 27 combination, we will select the best one. Yes. ये random है. Random. हाँ, उसमें भी random ही लेना पड़ेगा. तो random. कोई rule नहीं है. It is your opinion. You have to take random numbers only. So this parent node, child node, depth is a random selection. It is called parameter. 10 by 10, 100 by 100, depends upon a laptop performance. For a time being, I have taken 3 cross 3. Guys, got the point how we get this 27 candidates? Anisha, Ragini, clear for you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Apply grid search using decision tree, using all the parameters. Okay. Verbose one means give me the message. इन्हें print नहीं करेगा. Okay. Then CV10. CV10 will come later, guys. Currently, you are not in a situation to understand this. Okay. We'll repeat again. Okay. CV10 it's different. So we repeat 27 combinations and make tree. How many tree we are making? 27 unique tree. Every tree will check accuracy and select the best one. Assigning in grid search CV. Grid search CV is applying fit on extreme battery. ये clear हो गया? From grid search CV, give me the best estimator, best combination. What is the best, guys? Got the point? So 6, 50 and 200 is the best combination for this data. Clear? Instead of applying manually, can I say grid search, give me the shortcut way, fastest way. So this name 6 and 50 I'll write over here. 6, 50 and 200. I'll run this. I'll go up. How many branches they specify? 6 branches, guys. Branch 1, branch 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have our train data. Using DT, I want to predict. So we get predicted values. Okay. And we make confusion matrix. What is the number we have? 3271 plus 693. How much is accuracy now? Better than the previous manual combination, guys. So accuracy of a train is 80.5 or 80.4. If accuracy is more than 70, we say good model. Then we apply on test data, the X test, Y test, to make a test. Guys, grid search clear for you? Okay. Got the point how we select the best one? Which have the highest accuracy. How much we get highest on train? Clear. Manually we reached to 79. We have not crossed to 80. So grid search help us to give you 80%. बंद कर दो। लग तो नहीं किया? नहीं होगा। वो तो लॉक है। जाने दो, वो लॉक किया है। ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं। Clear, guys. Anyone have any question on this training one? So we have train accuracy coming to be as 80.4%. Using which method? Wait. Same method I will apply it on test data now. So I've made X test, Y test to make something known as test. Model name DT, applying on X test, predicting for every cases and making a new column called predicted. Clear. Next, I make something known as confusion matrix. How much I have? 1388 273. How much percent? 273 now. How much percent? 78 point. More than 70%. So here we say model performance is good on test data. Till you clear, guys. Next. है ना? Will or either you make a classification report. I'm working on train. I want to make a classification report for train for churn and train for predicted. This is for train data. How many rows we have in train? 4930. How many people have applied for changing a network? 1313. How many have not? 3617. Okay, this is for overfitting model. If you remember, we rerun the model. How much accuracy we have? 80%. Sensitivity, specificity, 90. Easy to read. Guys, I'm audible. Next, you're working on test data. In our case, you cannot display the output. You have the output now. So here I got 2113 is the number of rows in test. How many bad we have? इस डेटा में कितने रोज हैं? 5, 5, 6 and good में 1, 5, 5, 7. वल्लभ able to find. एक बार हेल्प कीजिए उनको, योगेश को. ठीक है, वल्लभ are you getting? ठीक. In my case, accuracy I'm getting as 79%, sensitivity 46, specificity I'm getting 89 because it's my combination. If you take same combination and done, you will also get the same answer. So overall performance 79 and 80%. Can you say good performance? Can you say great search save a lots of time? The point. Online students audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you have seen that applying grid search helps us to control your overfitting by doing a pruning. So grid search is to apply combination of branches, parent node and child nodes. That combination is called pruning. Inside grid search, we do pruning combination, and select the best one. So your training accuracy is 80%, testing accuracy is 79%. Clear. This much is a decision tree. Any question you have can ask, please. Right, CV10 is remaining to explain. I'll explain you later. यदि नहीं समझा और टाइम लगेगा.
Sir, if you don't mind, एक sample question देंगे क्या practice करने के लिए? I mean,
data I will give you. Don't worry.
Okay.
Practice data set will give you.
Okay.
Flow chart concept clear. The way we have done, same way we have done in the class. But the main thing is here we had new concept called grid search. सिर्फ हमने ये concept add किया because of pen paper पे नहीं कर सकते ना. We require software. That's the reason I've taken software. Guys, go through all the points. Your tree. In business, you will submit your tree. Tree is your model. Your tree you will submit. You will submit your confusion matrix. Tree. यहाँ पे tree है. आपका मॉडल की ट्री है ना. उन्होंने वही आंसर दिया. आप पढ़ नहीं रहे हो घर पे जाके.
कैटेगरी के लिए हम बाई और जो नंबर आएगा उसके लिए रिग्रेशन
हो गया. देखिए आपने घर जाके बुक नहीं खोले. ये क्वेश्चन लाइफ टाइम रहेगा until you don't open the book. ये चीज हमने ना आई थिंक डिसीजन लेके स्टार्ट में ही हमने डिस्कस किया था. नहीं आप प्रेजेंट थे. आपका ही क्वेश्चन था, तो मैंने वो टेबल बनाया था, एग्रेशन टास्क, क्लासिफिकेशन टास्क,
कल को
then the first day na we done.
Tuesday को ना
I think you may be absent, I think, I don't know. Guys, still clear? Easy. I'll give you one data set. Okay, you make a tray on that one and submit to me now. So whatever doubts you have will be clear for you. I'll give you a simple data. You don't have to clean data. You just have to import data and run the model. Data partition. I'll give you the clean data. You just have to do data partition, run the model, do grid search.
data partition and directed.
And accuracy. Clear, Anisha?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So data pre-processing में आपको सब check करते हैं और number create वो वाला change करना.
Correct. Go to the folder called decision tree. Inside that, I've given a file called employee. Or I'll give you more precise data. 1 second. Guys, 1 second, I'll give you more small data. वो बहुत heavy हो जाएगा आपके लिए. Just be on drive. I'll give same data. I'll give a subset to you. उसी का ही. Log into a drive. The file name is students practice. Okay. Okay. I'll write the steps which you have to perform. Step number 1.
Import data.
I think everybody know how to import. Step number 2. Break data numbers separate, or simple way, apply pre-processing data, pre-processing on screen, guys. First understand the points. You just have to apply label encoder, nothing else. ये यूज करना है और कुछ नहीं. Only on which data?
Separate करना है ना data.
That you decide. ये हो गया. Use your main data. Do all the code is already given to you. वो सब कुछ नहीं करना है. ये हो गया data partition. Then go for model. Check accuracy. ये हो गया. Then after doing accuracy, you do pruning. Pruning using grid search. Again क्या check करोगे? Once you're done till here, inform me. Clear Anisha? Clear Agni? Clear Shantanu?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Data is already there on drive. So every students have to share your screen. You just have to copy and paste the code. Nothing else. Already code is given to you. But you have to follow in these segments. Same numbers. Guys, for the grade search, use same numbers. Don't change the numbers also. It is the very clean data I've given you for just to have a flowchart clear in your image. Anisha or Ragini able to solve?
Yes, sir. Sorry.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Do.
If you want to share anything, I've given access, you can share your screen. Guys, your model means your tree only. Huh? Your tree is your model.
Hello, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, actually, I'm not able to decide the y variable. Can you please
Y
help?
variable is attrition for you.
Pardon me?
Attrition, with the call attrition, that is Y variable.
Okay, thank you.
So
फाइनल ट्री के लिए यस
सर 2 accuracy find out करना है.
हाँ देखो मैं बताता हूँ अगर आपका डेटा पार्टीशन कंप्लीट हो गया एग्जांपल यू मेक ट्री नंबर 1 ओके
Okay.
and this will give you accuracy 100%.
Okay.
Then you make pruning. Pruning
Okay.
means using grid search. Means you are again making a model only. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Pruning means again you are running the model na, by using number of branches, parent nodes, child nodes.
Yes,
This
sir.
combination you use in grid search. Okay. Then
Okay.
you have to make a tree for me.
Okay.
Once you're done with a small tree, then you check accuracy. So this is your final accuracy one.
सर छोटा सा डाउट लाइक पहले एग्जांपल में हम लोग ट्री के बाद ग्रिड सर्च करे थे ना वहाँ पे एक्यूरेसी फाइंड नहीं करे थे ना सो कैन यू हियर मी